Hello, welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm making stuffed peppers, Italian stuffed peppers. And I also have a very special guest, my niece from Connecticut, Miss Julia.
Hi, thank you for having me back.
Oh, I'm so happy to have you. You have seen her before. She made a very nice dish with pastina with milk. She's here on vacation helping me to make stuffed peppers.
These are the ingredients that you're going to need to make stuffed red peppers. Red peppers, or any color bell peppers are okay. Some basil, onions, rice, cherry tomatoes, cheese, and today we're using Parmigiano Reggiano, some breadcrumbs, and garlic. So now we're going to cut and clean this bell pepper. You have to make sure to get out all the seeds. So once we're done cleaning out these peppers, we're going to put them on the stove and boil them for 1 minute. And once you're done boiling them, they should look something like this.
Now what we need to do is to saute all the ingredients that we introduced. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
And first we're going to saute the onions.
Yeah. I use a non-stick pan, which is much easier to work with.
So we're going to wait for the onions to turn translucent, and then we'll add in our tomatoes. So these are translucent and golden brown, and that's what we're looking for. So now we're going to add our tomatoes, garlic, salt, and oil into the pan. And you want to make sure you cook them until they're soft, not until they become a sauce, and that's what happens if you overcook them. And we're going to raise the temperature a little bit. And the oven's at about medium high. Our tomatoes are all done, and they're not too soft, but they're not too firm, and they're just right. So now we're going to add our Arborio Italian rice, which has already been cooked. And our final step is to stuff the peppers. And what would this go great with?
Well, you can serve it with a salad, maybe a broccoli salad. You can serve it with kale salad, anything that you like, or whatever salad.
Good, yeah.
Or you could just have, instead of a salad, you can have some bread, which are like a crostini bread, which you can make in the oven, or garlic bread. It will taste absolutely fantastic. This looks and tastes delicious, even before the peppers are done. It's absolutely out of this world.
And the final step is to add our mixture of breadcrumbs and cheese.
I'm going to put some olive oil at the bottom.
And why are we going to do that?
While cooking, they can burn at the bottom if you don't have any grease. So we're going to place them in here. Maybe you could do it, Julia.
How far separated do each of them have to be?
Yeah, they don't grow, so you can put them close.
Okay.
Going to put a little bit of olive oil over it, just a little bit. As you see, I have my finger over the spout. Like that. Actually, the best part where to put it is on the pepper. Now the next thing is we're going to put it in the oven. Okay?
375 degrees for about 30 minutes. So this is the final product, and we just pulled it out the oven, and it should look like this. It's coated, and the breadcrumbs are nice and flat and cooked, and the outsides are charred. But what would go really well with this?
I think some pasta primavera would be very nice with it. This is, I have already made it on my YouTube, so you can refer to it. And I think it would be very nice with the vegetable stuffed peppers. So I think this is time for us to taste. Don't you think? So go ahead. You take the orange one, I take the red one. How about that? Okay.
It's very good.
Tastes very delicious.
And it's really well when it comes right out of the oven because it's nice and warm. And as you can see, it's still steaming. It tastes great.
And I think the breadcrumbs with the cheese tastes very nice because it's crunchy.
Yeah.
So there is some crunch right on the pepper, don't you think?
Yeah.
Julia, thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're great and you may come anytime.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao Giulia!